Welcome to Sumo Handyman Services. My name is Earl, and I'm here to go over the general drywall repair services that we provide. First on our list is hole patches. Our number one request is fixing holes from prior items that were mounted, such as shelves, pictures, art, TV, and mirrors. We repair, patch, sand, paint small and large patchwork, including cracks. Some of these damages are accidental, while others are due to repairs that have been performed behind the ceiling or walls. Second on our list is water damage. The most common areas we fix are walls outside of a tub or shower, where water leaks and causes soft, moldy drywall. Another common drywall repair is ceilings below a bathroom. Other water damage situations are pipe breaks, pipe leaks, sewer backup, and toilet overflows. For these types of examples, oftentimes we will need to cut out moldy drywall as it can be a health hazard. Third on our list is mold. This often occurs when slow leaks are not seen or repaired quickly. Over time, the slow drip creates a mold situation. In this instance, we cut out what is necessary, clean up any other affected areas, and replace the drywall. These slow leaks can come from roofs, toilets, or even supply lines. Fourth on our list is painting. We often get service requests for paint touch-ups, such as refreshing a room or repaint entire spaces. These areas are often high traffic areas and high touch points. Other common painting requests are move-outs and move-ins. And then there is a 10-year refresh. Clients want to update their home and modernize their living spaces. With that said, that wraps up our most commonly requested drywall/painting services. Earl at Sumo Handyman Services here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.